sure that I'm on my A game tonight. Doing good work.
This is the adjustment that counts.
Okay, so what's been top priority?
I'd say probably just a lot of tension, upper shoulders, traps, neck. Yeah.
How's that elbow doing?
Elbow's feeling a lot better after
A lot better?
last time. Maybe hit it once again.
Okay, we'll hit it. Yeah.
I'm gonna be working out after this.
Okay, what are we doing after this?
Type of workout?
Bis and tris?
Today I'll probably hit chest and bis.
Chest and bis.
Mix it up. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's get it.
Been working back a lot lately, so.
Mind if we take a look at the whole spine too?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's go ahead and go face down. Yeah, let that go. Just feel the tone of the ankles, knees, hips. Yeah, I gotta say, from that last adjustment, slight rotational error there, but that's a lot better than it was last week. Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Tough one right there. Deep breath in. Okay. Good set. That was nice and smooth. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay. Okay, good.
It's always a little tight right in there.
Yeah. This is where just some rotation here. I want you to lie on this side, facing me right over here. Awesome. Excellent. Let's lie on your back, please. And yeah, bend those knees, immediately get that low back into a nice neutral position. And then, Joseph, come up a little bit higher. All right.
Did you call Kobe?
That one in.
Good.
Right, Mia?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Swoosh.
Sweet. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that one's vicious, and it works its way up.
Mm-hmm.
Oof. Yeah. Worse on that left side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Left side's definitely more tense.
Right there, so we want to get right, low, and relax. Excellent.
Yes.
Now, it's still catching right there, so we're going to get from opposite angle right there. And that was a little smoother. That was the easier
Yeah.
one.
That felt good.
Okay, now I want to just decompress those shoulders down as well. Nice. Okay, that should be like a hurt so good type of decompression there.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
It's like hitting a pressure point, just releasing a lot of the tension.
And what I am like, okay, I am feeling a bit more on the right, but fairly symmetrical. So a lot of this just feels like we're riding the coattails of that last adjustment. So
Yeah.
good. Pull this tight.
Okay.
Squeeze this tight. Drop this one down. Doing okay there?
Yeah.
Okay. He's been less of a problem.
The knee?
The hip.
It's been solid, honestly.
Nice.
I mean, it's not perfect, but definitely better than what it was before.
Yeah, so that's come a long way.
Yeah,
That's good.
absolutely.
We're gonna let that go. Nice. Let's have a seat at the bottom. Interlace your fingers behind your neck and relax.
Man.
Nice. Does he look more handsome?
No, he looks like.
This guy's unstoppable now. Okay. Let me take a look at this guy. Hold my hand. Okay. I'm going to try to break you down this way. Don't let
Okay.
me. Okay, good. Bend your elbows. Same thing. Okay, great. Now I'm going to go that way. Try
Okay.
that. And again. I mean, that's so much better.
Yeah, it feels a
When
lot
you just
better.
relax. What'd you say, Mia? Hey, good.
Nice.
I thought she said something. Actually, I was just trying to get you to not think about that one. Sit up tall. And just get that nerve supply opening up down that arm.
It's so cool watching it in person.
Yeah, it's a little different, right? Hey, great job. You ready to rock? Okay. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
We can edit out the handshake. That was.
Do the machine gun.
Push your head back. Good. And right there. So those 2 points, that C6, that T2. We get those lined up nicely. And relax. Awesome.
All right. Set.
All right. Chest and biceps ready to go.
Chest and biceps, ready to roll. Till next time.